One of the things about antenna design is most of them don't work. Woo! G'day everyone, Simon! Crazy Ham Jazz here, and welcome back to another Rubbish Antenna Series episode. And today, guys, we're going to be putting some ridiculous junk from Temu to the test, and we're going to make some crazy antennas, and this is absolutely fantastic. I'm so excited. So a huge shout out to the gang at Temu for believing in me and being a part of my Rubbish Antenna series. All right, here we go. Now we're going to just dive straight into this wonderful big mailing bag, and I had to do a little bit of cheating just so I wasn't going to be sitting here putting you all to sleep. And we've got this beautiful little baitcaster reel. This thing's absolutely gorgeous, and we went all out with the fire, the flames on it and all. So this is a little bait casting reel, and here's a little spool of copper wire that I've just spooled onto the reel just to save time. Okay, we've got some metal tape here. This is the 2-inch duct tape, and I probably will not actually use this. You'll see why. It's a little wide for me. I also did buy a little while ago some metal tape that I bought from Temu, which is only 1 inch, so we're going to probably use that. But this is the 2-inch tape. The details are below. Oh, okay, let's open up this. I think I know what this is. This is coaxial cable with PL259 connectors. Woohoo! Doug's already saying, I want it, give it to me. And look at this, beautifully heat shrunk there, and this thing's going to be absolutely fantastic. We've got some wonderful little alligator clips here. So there's 8 red and 8 black, absolutely fantastic. You can never have too many of these, guys, so there you go. Here's another little bag. I'm going to quickly open up this. These are what we call in Australia crocodile clips. Look at these, guys. Fantastic. 10 pieces, so 5 red and 5 black for $4.96 Canadian. Absolutely crazy. We have some, I think this is 18 AWG red and black wire, which is going to come in really handy today. These are fishing rod holders, and here we go. So that's going to go into the ground, or you could even put it, oh Doug, into the table like that. There's your antenna holder. You're wondering, well, what are you going to put in that? All right, drum roll. This is the piece de resistance. I am so excited about this. I cannot wait to share this with you. All right, here we go, guys. I present to you a very large telescopic cardboard tube. Ta-da! You idiot, Simon. What's in it? Well, let's pull out what's in it. All right. This is very cool. There's nothing else in there. I love this. This is absolutely amazing. So this is a 12 meter fishing pole. 12 meters. And the price of this, just so you know, guys, is $94 Canadian. I don't know how stiff the tip is going to be, but that is why I went for the finest gauge copper wire that I could. It's jewelry wire. Anyway, guys, so what we're going to do, we're going to fast forward this, and we're going to start assembling. We're going to have some fun. This is like Christmas Day here. All right, everybody, so here's a quick overview of how we set up the Temu and access the code online. Very easy. So as you can see up here, guys, this is just a screenshot of my my iPhone, and let's just walk through it. So there we are. You'll see the Temu app. You simply click on the Temu app. Up comes Temu. You go to the search button and you type in my code, which is KAQ6998. There we go. And then you press search, and you'll see the list of all of the goodies that I have. And I just access this as a visitor, so not as an email, but you probably want to set it up permanently. But there we go, guys, and then you can just scroll through, and there are all of the items that are available under KAQ 6998. And then all we do is we raise and twist. Woo! All right, guys, so we've been just fiddling around about how we can mount this fabulous fishing pole onto the table with a fishing rod holder. And this is just ordinary nylon cord. Now, the one last thing that I wanted to mention is the piece de resistance. Ta-da! The tarp. This is the big tarp, and I love this. This thing is a monster. 16 feet 4 inches. That's the reason why I bought it, because I'm thinking that that's basically almost probably a quarter way for 20 meters. So what we're going to do is I'm going to do one length up here, and then maybe I'll put one length maybe next to it or on the other side. Boom! There we go. Next thing we're going to do, I just measured the distance between the two strips of metal tape, and they're basically 6 feet apart. I'm going to quickly connect these to the two bits of wire, one of those onto that end of the metal tape, this one here onto that end of the metal tape, and what I've done is I've just quickly made a little jumper that I can put on here and then straight onto here. I'm literally going to do something as crude as that. So this is as ras rubbish as it can be. And there's the ground side. We're just going to do that literally like so. And we're not going to even have a connector, an SO239 for that. All right, let's get this thing up the pole. Let's see if we can hear anything on 10 meters. And this is pretty exciting. All right, Doug, tell me when we're about 7 or 8 feet up. With that.
You're good. Yeah, you're in the 8 foot range.
All right, there we go. All right, I'm going to lock this, put this onto, I've just got to scrape a little bit off here.
For sure, but just on a matter of, I run
New Zealand!
program,
Woo!
November, Mike 50 Papa. Roger, you're a 5-6 in New Mexico, and I appreciate you activating, and of course, thank you, and 73.
So there we go, so that's got a little clamp right at the top, and if I pull on it, you can see it bend. I let it go. But so guys, this is absolutely amazing. This fishing pole is incredible.
November 6 Papa Foxtrot, Panama, Florida. Go ahead. That's great. It sounds like you're having a lot of fun doing all this. 73.
November Lima 7 Victor. Simon, very good. Boy, conditions aren't too good today, but I'm giving you a 5-in-1 over. Victor Echo 1 kilowatt. Jewelry wire on the fishing pole. All right. Well, it's doing a job for you. I got you 5-1, 51 here. Over.
Yeah, it's Kilo November 6, Tango Yankee Romeo, QSL. Park here is US 4541. You too, 73 Main, have a good activation.
November 9 Whiskey, Quebec Kilo. QSL on the double nickel. Hey, thanks for the activation.
I love this.
And keep up those videos. I like to watch them.
Kilowatt 4, go, November Echo. Hey, I've got you about 4-4 here in Richmond, Virginia. Hey, thanks for picking me up, and you're doing the heavy lifting. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you for checking. 7-3. The other station that was not acknowledged, you again, please.
Victor Alpha 7, Bravo Indy X-ray.
Okay, a couple of you there. Was it Victor Alpha 7 Bravo Indy X-ray?
40 meters!
A great signal coming in here today. And 3 of Lodge as well today, Simon. So thanks for checking. And 7-3.
40 meters, guys. We're 1-to-1 on 40 meters. All right, guys, this is absolutely amazing. We can let go of this now, Doug. Woohoo! Unbelievable, guys. I cannot believe this. Oh, this is absolutely insane. So, the takeaway from this, guys, is the huge tarp is absolutely magnificent for the lower bands, and it's just not very good on the higher bands. I just think it's probably too large. And I think if you were able to get that thing vertical some way, I think you'd have a chance of possibly making it into a beam of sorts, or even a vertical dipole. But anyway, today has been absolutely fantastic. I'm thrilled the way it turned out. This fishing pole is absolutely unbelievable. I'm absolutely blown away with it, as is Doug. It's got a really nice finish to it. And you saw the flex on it, and absolutely fantastic. And in conjunction with really fine jewelry wire on a bait caster fishing reel, it's fantastic. You could take this camping, and then you could just set up some 8 feet 9 inch radials or something like that, and you know, and set up your little camp station for every band up to 40 meters. And I think, to be honest, with this huge tarp, we could get this thing resonant for 80 meters. I absolutely love it. Very, very cool. It's a really good quality tarp. And I love it. It's absolutely fantastic. This was like $24 Canadian. It's got really good gearing. You just click that to drop it out of gear. There's your clutch. You can put your drag on. Absolutely fantastic. All right, guys, I'm going to pack up here. Huge shout out to my fabulous mate, Doug, VE7 DFZ. I couldn't do this without you, brother. Thank you so much, Doug. And guys, thank you so much. I got a message from my sister and brother-in-law and kids back in Australia. I appreciate you guys. I miss you madly, and so glad that you've been able to watch my crazy shows. I'm absolutely loving the rubbish antenna series, guys. Truly, it's just one of the most joyful things that I've ever done in my life. And if this is the first time to my channel, g'day mates. Thank you so much for swinging by. And if you're a return viewer, thank you also. I really appreciate it. And if it wasn't for you guys, this channel would be nothing. We're coming up on 100,000 subscribers, and it's all because of you guys. I'm very, very grateful. Huge shout out to Temu. You guys are absolutely magnificent. I appreciate this opportunity. I love this stuff. I can see myself making literally mini episodes out of this wonderful supplies that you provided me today. And in fact, I'm going to be using that pole and this tarp on many more episodes. So thank you so much, Temu. And guys, I'm Crazy Ham Jazz. I really appreciate it, all the support. And if you haven't done so already, please hit that like and subscribe button, because your support fuels my passion and helps keep the inspiration alive. All right, everybody, love you madly. Thank you so much. We'll see you on the bands. This is Simon, Crazy Ham Jazz, over and out. 7-3. Woohoo!